Hi superhumans, let's continue to solve trigonometry questions which appeared in SSC CGL 2023 Tier 1 and also learn relevant concepts based on it. The superhumans other important relations are if A sin A plus B cos A is equal to C and B sin A minus A cos A is equal to D, then A square plus B square equal to C square plus D square. And if A secant theta minus B tan theta is equal to C, B secant theta minus A tan theta is equal to D, or if A secant theta minus B tan theta is equal to C, or A tan theta minus B secant theta is equal to D, or A secant theta plus B tan theta is equal to C, B secant theta plus A tan theta is equal to D, then A square minus B square is equal to C square minus D square. The next relation is if A cosecant theta minus B cot theta is equal to C, B cosecant theta minus A cot theta is equal to D, or A cosecant theta minus B cot theta is equal to C, A cot theta minus B cosecant theta is equal to D, or A cosecant theta plus B cot theta is equal to C and B cosecant theta plus A cot theta is equal to D, then A square minus B square is equal to C square plus D square. So superhumans, next question is if A cot theta plus B cosecant theta is equal to P and B cot theta plus A cosecant theta is equal to Q, then P square minus Q square is equal to. Here I already taught you formula, direct formula, you can check the previous part, that is this is the square of, that is P square minus Q square is nothing but the direct formula, it is nothing but coefficient of cosecant theta square, that is B square minus coefficient of cot theta, that is A square. So if you know the formula you can directly mark, that is D. Suppose in case you forget the formula in exam, then we will solve it, but it will take a lot of time in solving this. So it's better to memorize those formulas. So now P square is nothing but, P square minus Q square is nothing but A cot theta plus B cosecant theta whole square is nothing but A square cot square theta plus B square cosecant square theta is 2AB cot theta cosecant theta minus of Q square is nothing but B square cot square theta plus A square cosecant square theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta. Now here P square means, now let me take, now these two will get cancelled, 2AB cot theta cosecant theta and those two will get cancelled, 2AB cot theta cosecant theta minus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta. Now let me take A square common, A square into cot square theta minus cosecant square theta plus B square into cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This is nothing but B square minus A square. So P square minus Q square is equal to B, option D, B square minus A square. So superhumans, other higher trigonometry identity which I recommend you to learn is sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So superhumans, other trigonometric identities which I would recommend you to learn is sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. So superhumans, other important identities are sin A into sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Cos A into cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B plus cos of A plus B. Sin A into cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Cos A into sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So superhumans, other important identities are sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, or it is also equal to cos square B minus cos square A. cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, which is also equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, which is also equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, which is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Sin 2a in terms of tan is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a in terms of tan is nothing but 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So superhumans next identity is sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So superhumans other important identities are, as part of higher trigonometry identities, is sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 plus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. Cos a into cos 60 minus a into cos 60 plus a is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a. Tan a into tan 60 minus a into tan 60 plus a is equal to tan 3a. Tan 45 plus theta is equal to cot 45 minus theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Tan 45 minus theta is equal to cot 45 plus theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So superhumans other important values which I will recommend you to learn is sin 15 is nothing but equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, which is also equal to cos 75. Sin 75 is nothing but equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, which is equal to cos 15. Sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, which is also equal to cos 72. Sin 54 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, which is also equal to cos 36. Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3, which is also equal to cot 75. Tan 75 is equal to 2 plus root 3, which is also equal to cot 15. Sin 36 is equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, which is also equal to cos 54. Sin 72 is equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, which is also equal to cos 18. Sin 22.5 is equal to root of 2 minus root 2 by 2, which is also equal to cos 67.5. So superhumans next question is, which of the following options gives an expression equivalent to sin a plus b? So I already taught you the formula. Sin a plus b is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So you must be able to directly mark it. But suppose in exam pressure, if you forget formula, you use substitution method also. Suppose take a is equal to say 45 and b is also equal to 45. Then sin a plus b is nothing but sin 90 is nothing but equal to 1. Now let's substitute here. Sin 45 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, this will be 0. So this option is not possible. Here 1 by root into 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. So possibility is there. Here again they will cancel out each other, not possible. Here possibility is there. So we are left with b and d. Then you can substitute other values. Say you can substitute a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 30, and you can substitute and check whichever option matches. It will match with our maximum. It obviously has to match the option b. So answer B will be right. So superhumans next question is, using cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, find the value of cos 75 degrees. Here I already taught you the value of cos 75. I already told you to memorize the value of cos 75 degrees. It is nothing but root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. But here in options I can't see this value, but in denominator 4 is there in all the options. So I will multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 here to get 4 in the denominator. So here I will get 2 root 2 into root 2 is nothing but is 4, and numerator will get root 6 minus root 2. So here option B is right. Suppose you don't remember this value, then what you can do is substitute. In place of A you can substitute 45 degrees, in place of B you can substitute 30 degrees and find this value, because you know the value of cos 45, cos 30, sin 45, sin 30. You can use this formula and find the value, but that will be a lengthy process. So instead of that, if you directly remember formulas, you will be saving a lot of time in your exam. So option B is right. So superhumans next question is, using cosecant alpha plus beta is equal to secant alpha into secant beta into cosecant alpha into cosecant beta by secant alpha into cosecant beta plus cosecant alpha into secant beta, find the value of cosecant 75 degrees. Generally we don't memorize this formula and you need not also in exam, but I already told you the value of, you don't even know the value of cosecant 75 degrees, but you know the value of sin 75 degrees. I told you to memorize that. So sin 75 degrees is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So cosecant 75 will be nothing but 1 by sin 75 degrees, which will be equal to 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. But here in options none of them matches. So what we will do is, we will try to rationalize it. To rationalize it, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. So here we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. What we will get is 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 will get cancelled. This will be nothing but root 6 minus root 2. So here option A is right. So superhumans, here you can also put value putting. You can substitute 45 and 30 here also. Again, alpha is some 45 degrees, beta is some 30 degrees, and you can substitute in this formula and you can find, but it will be a very lengthy process. This method is better. So superhumans, next question is, using the identity tan 2 alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha, find the value of tan 15 degrees correct to 3 decimal places. Here giving that formula is extra information, I feel. So we already know, I already told you to memorize tan 15 value, which is nothing but 2 minus root 3 is nothing but 2 minus, is given the value of root 3 to be 1.732 in question. 2 minus 1.732, which is nothing but 0.268. So option B is right. So superhumans, next question is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A is, I already taught you this formula, it's equal to sin 2A, you must remember it. But suppose in exam pressure, if you forget it, then what you will do is, you can use value putting method. Let's substitute A is equal to say 45 degrees. Then what will this be? Tan 45 is nothing but 1. So 2 into 1 by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 square, which is nothing but 2 by 2, which is nothing but equal to 1. Here substitute 45, sin 90, which is nothing but equal to 1. Here cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Here sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Here cos 90 is nothing but 0. So only option A matches. So by value putting method also you will get A is the right answer. So superhumans, next question is, if cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4, but theta is an acute angle, then the value of sin theta plus 30 degrees is. Here you need not use higher trigonometric identities, because cos theta you will get is equal to root 3 by 2, and we already know that when will cos theta be equal to root 3 by 2, when theta is equal to 30 degrees. So you can directly substitute 30 degrees here, which is nothing but, we need to find the value of sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is nothing but root 3 by 2. So option A is right. But suppose here they have given an easy value. Suppose if they have given that if you get cos theta value here instead of root 3 by 2, if you get cos theta value is equal to 1 by 4, then you will not be able to find theta value, right? Then you will have to expand this formula. What will you get is, it's nothing but sin theta plus 30 degrees is equal to sin theta, sin A cos B plus cos A. Cos A is nothing but cos theta, sin B is nothing but sin 30. You will substitute, you will have to find sin theta value, cos theta value, and you will substitute in this formula and you will get the value. So here option A is right. So superhumans, next question is, if tan A by 2 is equal to x, then find x. I already taught you the formula that tan A by 2 is nothing but 1 minus under root of 1 minus cos A by under root of 1 plus cos A. So you must be able to directly mark option D. But in case in exam if you forget this formula, then we'll use substitution method. Let's substitute A is equal to first say 90 degrees. We substitute A is equal to 90, then you will get x is equal to tan 45 as much 1. Then check with options. 1 minus sin 90, here you will get 0. So this option is eliminated. Option is eliminated. Here you will get square root of 1 plus 0 by square root of, here you will get 1. So this can be, here you will get under root of minus 1, because cos 90 is 0. So this is not possible. So this is also eliminated. Here also you will get 1. So there are two possibilities, either B or D. Now next we substitute A is equal to say 60 degrees. And tan 30 will be nothing but 1 by root 3. And then substituting these two options B and D, you will get that option D is right. So So friends, it's better to remember formula because you will be saving a lot of time and you will directly get the answer. But in case you forget in exam hall, then you can use substitution value putting method. So superhumans, next question is, what is tan theta by 2? So I already told you to memorize this formula. Tan theta by 2 is nothing but under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. And here in options, it does not match any of them. So what we'll do is we'll try to rationalize. We'll multiply numerator and denominator by under root of 1 minus cos theta. So this is nothing but under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into under root of 1 plus cos theta by under root of 1 plus cos theta. So in the denominator it will be nothing but under root of 1 plus cos theta and under root of 1 plus cos theta will be 1 plus cos theta. Means 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, which is nothing but equal to sin square theta. So under root of sin square theta, which is nothing but equal to sin theta. I will repeat again, under root of 1 minus cos theta and under root of 1 plus cos theta is nothing but under root of 1 minus cos square theta. Under root of 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but equal to under root of sin square theta. Under root of sin square theta is nothing but sin theta. So sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So option A is right. And here suppose in exam, if this idea is not striking you, then what you will do is you will directly use value putting method. Let us substitute, say some value theta is equal to 90 degrees. Then tan theta by 2 will be tan 45 is equal to tan theta by 2 is nothing but tan 45 is equal to 1. Now let's check with options. Now if we substitute here, sin 90 is nothing but 1, cos 90 is 0, 1 by 1 plus 0, which is nothing but equal to 1. This will be 0, here you will get cos 90 is 0. So this option is wrong, this option is eliminated. Here also you will get cos 90 is 0 by 1 minus 1. Here you are getting undefined because in the denominator you are getting 1 minus 1 which is undefined. So let's put this option on hold. And then here sin 91 by 1. So this option can be also possible. Here also you are getting 1. So this is also possible. So now we will put theta is equal to 60 degrees. Since here we are not able to eliminate many options, we will put theta is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 by 2 is nothing but tan 30 is nothing but equal to tan theta is nothing but equal to tan 60 by 2 is equal to tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now substituting all these equations, this will be nothing but, for option A it will be nothing but sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but root 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by root 3. So option A is matching. And now here this option already eliminated in the by putting theta equal to 90, so we will not check this option. In C we have already put that on hold. So cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 minus root 3 by 2. So this will be nothing but 1 by 2 minus root 3, right? This option also will be wrong. Now option D is nothing but sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but equal to root 3. So this is also not matching with 1 by root 3. So all these options are eliminated, only option A is right here. So superhumans, next question is evaluate the following, that is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. So in these type of questions, generally once this comes out of this first root, then the angle will become half, that is 8 theta will become 4 theta, that is you will get 2 cos 4 theta here. Then again as it comes out of the second root it will become 2 theta, as it comes out of the third root it will become theta. So the answer will be C. I will explain how in detail. So for example, here square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta, right? So we already know that cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we can write this as square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of, take 2 common, 1 plus cos 8 theta, right? Cos 8 theta I can write it as 2 cos square 4 theta minus 1. Here this plus 1 minus 1. So this will be 4 cos square 4 theta. So as it comes out of the root, it will be 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. So what I told you is, once this root is taken out, the angle will become half of this. 8 theta has become 4 theta. Now again we'll simplify. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2, 1 plus, now taking 2 common here, 1 plus cos 4 theta I can write it as 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. This will get cancelled. So this will be nothing but square root of 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Now again this will be nothing but square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta I can write it as 2 cos square theta minus 1. This will be nothing but 2, these 2 will get cancelled. This will be nothing but 2 cos theta. And one more, one more shortcut trick what I'll say is, suppose here this angle, whatever angle this angle is given, we'll take it as A, some angle A. Then the shortcut formula for this is, it is nothing but 2 cos A by 2 power R. Here R is nothing but number of roots and A is nothing but the angle given, that is here, you will see that A is nothing but equal to 8 theta. A is nothing but 8 theta and our number of square roots is how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 square roots are there. 3. So by applying the shortcut formula, we will get 2 cos A is 8 theta by 2 power R, that is 2 power 3. It's nothing but 2 cos 8 theta by 8, which is nothing but 2 cos theta. So directly using this formula, you can mark option C is right. So superhumans, next question is, simplify the following. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is. Now in the options you can see that it is in the form of cos x, sin 4x or sin x. So sin 6x is not there in options, so we have to eliminate it. So what I'll do is, and sin 2x also is not there in options. So what I'll do is, I'll club these two because these two are not there in options. So I already taught you sin A plus sin B. Formula is nothing but 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Right? Now here sin 2x plus sin 6x is nothing but 2 sin 2x plus 6x is 4x by 2x plus 6x is 8x, 8x by 2 is 4x, 2 sin 4x into cos of 6x minus 2x is nothing but 4x, 4x by 2 is 2x, cos 2x. Now substitute here, this is nothing but 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus this 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x, which is nothing but, take 2 sin 4x common, is nothing but cos 2x plus 1. Now this cos 2x I can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square x, or I can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1. Now it's better to write 2 cos square x minus 1 because only then this plus 1 will get eliminated. So it will be nothing but 2 sin 4x, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled into 2 cos square x. This is nothing but 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So option A is right. So superhumans, this you can also solve by value putting method. Now here you have to put values such that you will get unique options, unique value in options. For example, if I put x is equal to 0, then it's of no use because all this will become 0, And even in options, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0. So putting x equal to 0 is of no use. Then next we can put x is equal to 45. If we put x is equal to 45, then sin 4x is nothing but sin 180, which will be 0, and here this option will be 0. Again sin 4x is sin 180 is 0. Here this option will be 0. So you will not be getting unique options. So x is equal to 45 is also of no use. Putting x is equal to 45 is also of no use. So now I will put x is equal to 30 degrees. Now this will be nothing but 4 into cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but 3 by 4 into sin 120. Sin 120 is nothing but sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. This will be 3 root 3 by 2. Now 4 into cos 30 square is nothing but 3 by 4 into sin 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, nothing but equal to 3 by 2. This is nothing but 4 into sin square 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Sin square 30 is okay. Sin 120. Sin 120 is nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. This will be equal to root 3 by 2. 30. Now here this will be nothing but 2 into cos square 30 is nothing but 3 by 4 into sin 120 sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, which will be equal to 3 root 3 by 4. So now we are getting unique options by putting x equal to 30. You are getting unique options. Here you will get 3 root 3 by 2, here you are getting 3 by 2, here you are getting root 3 by 2, here you are getting 3 root 3 by 4. So this is advisable. Now we will calculate this value. In the question it's nothing but sin 2x. Sin 2x is nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 plus 2 into sin 120. Sin 120 is nothing but sin 60. 180 minus 60, which is nothing but equal to sin 60, which is nothing but in 2 into root 3 by 2, 2 into root 3 by 2, this is equal to 3 root 3 by 2. So this value and sin 180. Sin 180 is nothing but 0. So this value matches with option A. So by value putting method also you can do this. So what I am saying is, in higher trigonometry questions, at times maybe you might not be getting that idea to combine these, or you might not recollect formulas. Don't leave those questions. You can use value putting method, but the point is here is that it will take more time to, if you put values and solve the question, it will take more time than normally solving by knowing those identities. So superhumans, next question is, simplify the following expression: sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So here what I will do is, I will take sin theta common in numerator. It will be nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here I already taught you this value, that 1 minus 2 sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cos 2 theta. So these two will get cancelled. This will be nothing but tan theta. So here option B is right. So superhumans, next question is, using the trigonometric formulas, find the value sin x plus y by sin x minus y into tan x plus tan y by tan x minus tan y is. So here we can use value putting method also, but we have to ensure that the denominator part is not 0. Generally, like for example, if you take x is equal to 45 and y is equal to 45, here tan 45 minus tan 45 will be 0 and will be undefined. So you cannot take x and y values to be same. So keeping that in mind, what I will take is, I will take x is equal to 60 degrees and y is equal to 30 degrees. This will be sin 60 minus 30, that is nothing but sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 by 60 plus 30 is 9, sin 90 is equal to 1 into tan 60 is nothing but root 3 plus tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 by tan 60 is nothing but root 3 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is nothing but 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 minus 1, 2, 4 by 4 which is equal to 1. So here option C is right. Now instead of value putting, if you want to directly solve it, then how will you do it? What I would suggest is learn this as an identity, that is sin x minus y by sin x plus y is nothing but tan x minus tan y by tan x plus tan y. Learn this as an entity. It might be useful for in other questions also. Another question also. Now, if I prove that this is equal to this, then this part is nothing but inverse of this, so it will get cancelled out. So now I'll teach you how we arrived at this equation. So sin x, this I can write it as nothing but sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y by sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Now we will divide numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Now what will be left here? Cos x cos y, cos y get cancelled, sin x by cos x will be left, that is nothing but tan x. Here cos x will get cancelled, sin y by cos y will be left, so that is nothing but tan y by, here again cos y and cos y will eliminate, sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x, cos x and cos x will eliminate, sin y by cos y is nothing but tan y. So sin of x minus y by sin of x plus y is nothing but tan x minus tan y by tan x plus tan y. So this part is nothing but inverse of this, so they will cancel out each other. So option C is right. So superhumans, next question is evaluate the following: cos 36 plus a into cos 36 minus a plus cos 54 plus a into cos 54 minus a is. So here what I can see is this 54 and 36 are adding up to be 90, so there must be some relation there. So what I will do is I will keep the first part as it is, that is cos 36 plus a into cos 36 minus a as it is, plus this I can write it as sin 90 minus this angle, right, because sin 90 minus theta is nothing but equal to cos theta. So this I will write it as sin 90 minus of 54 plus a into sin 90 minus of 54 minus a. This is nothing but equal to cos 36 plus a into cos 36 minus a plus 90 minus 54 is nothing but sin 36 minus a into sin 36 plus a. Now if you closely observe, if I take this angle 36 plus a is some x, 36 minus a to be some y, then this will be of the form cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is nothing but equal to cos x minus y, cos of x minus y, which is nothing but cos of 36 plus a minus of 36 minus a, which is nothing but cos 2a. So here option C is right. So superhumans, next question is the maximum value of sin power 12 theta plus cos power 20 theta for all real values of theta is. So this you need to remember in higher trigonometry, that is nothing but sin 2 power n theta plus cos 2 power m theta. Its maximum value is nothing but 1. So here n and m can be any value. Here it is given that n is nothing but, according to this question, n is equal to 6 and m is equal to 10. You memorize this. You memorize this formula. So the maximum value of this part, this sin power 12 theta plus cos power 20 theta is nothing but 1. So superhumans, have solved all the questions of trigonometry which have appeared in SSC CGL 2023 Tier 1. Thank you. I request you to watch all the videos from part 1 in detail so that you will transform yourself from aspirant to superhuman. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Connect to Krish.